Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Canada became so big. Canada's vastness is truly remarkable, making it the second largest country globally. This incredible size isn't just a geographical accident. It's a fascinating story shaped by centuries of exploration, strategic acquisitions, and the unique features of its land. We'll explore the key factors that contributed to its immense territorial growth. A major factor in Canada's size was the extensive British colonial presence, particularly after the 7 Years' War. The Hudson's Bay Company also played a crucial role, controlling an enormous area known as Rupert's Land. Later, the process of confederation brought together various colonies and territories, adding vast stretches of land to the new dominion, significantly expanding its footprint across North America. Geography is undeniably a huge part of Canada's size. Its northern border extends deep into the Arctic, encompassing numerous large islands that add millions of square kilometers. With coastlines on the Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic Oceans, Canada boasts an incredibly long shoreline. These immense, often sparsely populated, northern and western regions contribute significantly to its overall landmass. Canada's modern borders were gradually established through various treaties and agreements, solidifying its immense territorial claims. This vastness profoundly impacts its diverse ecosystems, resource wealth, and cultural identity. It presents both challenges in governance and incredible opportunities for exploration and development. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.